Hello everyone, welcome to Genius Phonics and Grammar classes. Let's read these words fridge, cage. Have you noticed both these words are ending with j sound, but in a fridge we have dge, in a cage we have ge. Why? When to write down dge or ge? Let's check. Today, we are going to learn the final j sound, ge or dge. Words in English don't end in letter j. When there is a short vowel sound before j, write dge. Short vowel sound a, e, a. Here we have two words. Fudge. Fudge is a short vowel sound. Ch. So short vowel. So we have to write down dge. Now here we have fridge. Fr, e, ch, e. It's a short vowel sound. So write down dge. When there is a long vowel sound or consonant sound before j, write ge. For example, this word, it's a huge. It's a huge. Huge. U. It's a long vowel sound. So write down ge. And here we have k. H. Cage. A. It's a long vowel sound. So write down ge. When you hear j sound at the end of the word, write down dge or ge. Why? Because letter j never comes at the end of the word in English language. So, whenever you hear j sound at the end of the word, write down dge or ge. When there is a short vowel a, e, a, before j sound, write down dge. And whenever there is a long vowel sound like a, e, I, O, U and consonant, write down ge. Now let's do the exercise. Give them exercise dge or ge. Read the words. It's H. H. Here the letter E give us short sound. So a, ch. Now here we have change. Change. Ch. A, n, j. Before j sound, here we have a consonant. So we have to write down ge. This word porridge. Porridge. E. Short sound. Write down dge. Judge. Judge. Short sound. Write down dge because you give us short sound. Here we have charge. Charge. R. R. It's a consonant, so write down ge. Damage. Damage. Have you noticed here give us long sound. Damage. Damage. So we have to write down ge. Next word, it's a fridge. Fridge. F-r-e-ch. Fridge. Letter I give us short sound. So write down DGE. Package, package. H. A. Give us long sound. A. So write down GE. Bridge, bridge. Here letter I give us short sound. B. R. E. Ch. Bridge. Here S. M. A. Ch. Smudge. Letter U give us short sound. Write down DGE. Usage, usage. Letter A give us long sound. So write down GE. Manage, manage. H. Manage. Letter A give us long sound. So write down GE. The rules of GE and DGE not only help the students to write down the correct spelling but also helpful to pronounce the correct spelling. How to read the following words? Let's read. Here we have few words which are ending with J sound. Now let's check before J sound there is a long vowel or short vowel. This trick helps the children to read the words correctly. Here we have this word and this word is ending with J sound, and here we have GE. Now let's revise the rule. If the word is ending with J sound and if there is a short vowel before J, write down DGE, and if there is a long vowel sound or consonant sound before J, write down GE. Here our word is ending with GE. So before GE there is a long vowel. So how can read this word? It's wastage. Wastage, not wastage. It is wastage. Now next word. Here our word is ending with DGE, and before DGE there is short vowel sound. So the sound of letter E here, it's a short. Now it's sledge, sledge, not sledge. Next word. Here our letter is ending with DGE, and before DGE we have letter E, and the sound of letter E, that is a short, not long. So we can read this word, it's knowledge, knowledge. Here K is silent and W is also knowledge. Now next word. This word is ending with GE, and before GE there is a long vowel. So the sound of letter A, here it's A, not A. So don't read this word like stage. No, it is stage, stage. Now next we have this word, and this word is ending with GE, and before GE there is a long vowel. So A give us long sound, not short sound. What is the short sound of letter A? That is A. And the long sound of letter A, that is A. So read this word. Luggage, luggage. Here we have word and it's ending with DGE, and before DGE we have letter O and it is short vowel. So the short sound of letter O, that is O, and the long sound of letter O, it's a O. So how can we read this word? It's Dodge, Dodge, not Doge. It's Dodge. Next we have this word, and this word is ending with GE. So it's a just sound, and whenever there is a GE, so before GE we have long vowel. So letter A give us long sound, not short sound. And what is this long sound of letter A? That is A. So this word is passage, passage. Next we have this word ending with GE, and before GE there is a long vowel sound A. And what is the sound of letter A? Short sound of letter A, that is A, but the long sound of letter A, that is A. So we have to read this word H, page, not patch, page, page. Exception to GE and DGE. Here we have few words. First word is college, college. You can see this word is ending with J sound, and it is JE. Before JE there is long vowel, but letter E give us short sound, not long sound. It's a college, not college. Here we have privilege, privilege. Again this word is ending with GE, and whenever the word is ending with GE, before that there is a long vowel, but here we have a short vowel. Now next word, it's marriage, marriage. Here our word is ending with GE. Now your turn. Write down DGE or GE. What is the correct spelling for huge and fudge? Don't forget to share your comment. Hope this video is very helpful to you.